In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slide transitions in Canva. If you want your presentation or video to feel smoother and more professional, transitions are a quick way to connect your pages and guide your viewer's eye. Start by opening your Canva project. This works with both presentations and videos, and it's best if you already have multiple pages or slides in place so you can see the effect from one page to the next. Now, look along the bottom of the editor where the page thumbnails appear. This is your storyboard. Move your mouse between two pages where you want the effect to happen. As you hover in that space, you'll notice a small plus icon, or you might see a button that says Add between two design pages. That's the spot where the transition will live. Go ahead and click that icon or button. A small menu will pop up with options related to what happens between those two pages. Choose Add Transition. This opens the transition options so you can pick the style that matches your project. On the left, you'll see a panel of transition styles such as Dissolve, Slide, Match, Move, Flow, and more. Click on any option to instantly preview how it will look moving from the first page to the next. Take a moment to try a few. Dissolve is subtle and clean, Slide adds directional movement, and Match Move can create a more dynamic handoff if elements repeat across pages. Once you've chosen a style, fine-tune it. Click Adjust, or click the transition itself, to open the settings. Here you can customize the duration with a slider to make the transition faster or slower. Shorter durations feel snappier and keep momentum, while longer ones create a gentler pace. Some transitions also let you choose a direction, like left, right, up, or down. Pick the direction that aligns with how your content flows so movement feels intentional. If you want a consistent look across the entire project, use the Apply Between All Pages or Apply to All Pages button at the bottom of the panel. This applies your chosen transition and settings throughout the design. It's a great way to build a cohesive style, especially for longer presentations. If you prefer variety, you can always set transitions page by page instead. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.